This video will show you how scary space is. So, the person you are looking at right now was the first Chinese astronaut who was sent into space for a mission, but the craziest part is that he was literally alone on this mission. While his spacecraft was orbiting the Earth at 343 kilometers above the surface, he heard something strange from the cockpit. While he knows that sound cannot travel in space, still, he was completely shocked. The sound was just like someone striking the outside of the capsule with a wooden hammer. Now imagine you are alone in this spacecraft, 300 kilometers away from Earth, and heard this sound.